Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Happy St. Patrick's to everybody. I hope you're wearing your green today. I am 12% Irish. I'm like 8% Scottish. So I have never been to Ireland or Scotland. I've been to the UK. I've been very, very, very close. So Ireland and Scotland are definitely on my bucket list. I want to go to Dublin. I want to drink a Guinness right out of the tap. So let's have a great one today. Like I said, I hope you're wearing your green. Let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers. Let's take a look at crypto news. Total crypto market is right at $2.6 trillion. Bitcoin is 73,864, up 4.5% on the 7-day. Ethereum is $2,335, up 12.5% on the 7-day. And XRP is currently at $1.51. up 8.5% in the 7-day. Let's go and take a look at news. Ripple is officially participating at DC Blockchain Summit 2026 today. This is some Diana. Diana's been getting a lot of things out there lately. Ripple is officially one of the speakers listed at DC Blockchain Summit 2026 with Jack McDonald, SVP of stablecoins at Ripple, confirmed as a speaker and a panelist. He is scheduled to appear on the Platinum stage today, March the 17th, for the session Building Trust in the Next Payment Rails, the Rise of Stablecoins, all in on Ripple. And I'm going to show you more about Jack McDonald here in a minute. Ripple released this morning, St. Patrick's Day. Ripple is going all in on Brazil. Ripple payments over $100 billion processed, over 60 markets, live with Banco Genial, Brazabank, Nomad, Azify, and more. Ripple Custody recently launched in Brazil with CRX. Ripple Treasury, decades of corporate treasury management expertise. And RLUSD, over $1.5 billion market cap, live with Mercado Bitcoin, Foxbit, Ripio, and more. One provider, the complete financial stack. Ripple, baby. So this is the article that came out today, March the 17th, 2026. Sao Paulo, March 17th. Ripple, I'm not going to go through it all. It is very lengthy. I will let you tear it down yourself. But briefly, we are going to take a look at this. It states that Mastercard is to acquire stablecoin infrastructure company BVNK for up to $1.8 billion. Well, I did a little bit of AI research, and it states that BVNK is a fintech platform that integrates Ripple's XRP ledger to facilitate fast cross-border payments and stablecoin payouts. BVNK partners with Ripple to launch and support institutional B2B stablecoins on the ledger. As of late 2025, BVNK processed over $30 billion in annualized stablecoin payments, utilizing blockchain for 24/7 global transactions. I'm still researching this. This was AI generated. But as I was looking through the news, it looks like BVNK back in 2024 interviewed Jack McDonald, who was with Standard Custody, who is now with Ripple. And this is a pretty amazing 2-minute clip that I want you to hear real quick.
We've started PolySign, the parent company for Standard Custody and Trust, which is a New York qualified custodian. We're days away, hopefully, from closing our transaction, selling Standard Custody and Trust to Ripple, upon which I'll be joining Ripple. I'm quite excited about that.
Can you talk a little bit about what was the strategic importance of that for Ripple? Why was Ripple interested in buying Standard Custody?
Ripple's really evolved from what 10 or 11 years ago was a cross-border payments company to today really more broad-based in terms of tokenization, payments, custody, and in the not too distant future will be stablecoin. And I think in the end have focused on a mission to provide enterprise-based solutions for those institutions who want to tokenize, store, move, and exchange value on blockchains around the world. And so specifically getting a trust company is a very strategic fit for them to do that. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO, announced a number of weeks ago at Paris Blockchain about the intention to launch a stablecoin. I think when you consider Ripple's global payments network, there's a broad global base of financial institutions who increasingly have been using stablecoins as a means of payment and a settlement token for that payment. I think Ripple wants to natively be a part of that.
Huge news.
Yeah, big.
Ripple
exciting.
launching a stablecoin that competes with USDC, Tether, PYUSD.
And I think Ripple rightly views the ecosystem as a rising tide, lifting all ships, and so you don't want to fight that. There's plenty of room for more high quality, liquid stable coins out there. So this is not a winner take all sort of, journey that Ripple's looking to go on. Quite the opposite. I think they're looking to work with the Circles of the world and other issuers to benefit the industries.
So when you start peeling back the layers and seeing how excited Ben Rogers, managing director in the U.S. of BVNK, was to see that Ripple was launching a stablecoin back in 2024, and now to see that all these big players are starting to mesh together with Mastercard acquiring BVNK Bank. I mean, people, put all the puzzle pieces together. Start putting it all together. Most people are just so caught up in the price of XRP. They're caught up in the price of Flare or VChain or XLM or HBAR or whatever, and they're not looking at what's going on behind closed doors, what's going on behind the scenes, putting all the puzzle pieces together. The rising tide lifts all boats. The rising tide lifts all ships. When this thing pops, it's going to pop. We're waiting on the Clarity Act. We're waiting on a lot of things to happen. But I tell you what, all of these things going on behind closed doors, behind the scenes, little bits and pieces of AI kind of telling us all of these partnerships and things going on in the background. Ripple's still growing. The XRP ledger's growing. People are still building on top of the XRP ledger. It is just so incredible to get on Twitter Spaces sometimes and hear some of the developers come up and talk and kind of explain what they're doing behind the scenes as far as amendments on the XRP ledger, or maybe building on top of another ecosystem altogether. So have a wonderful St. Patty's Day. Don't forget to put on your green sticker or something, or you're going to get pinched. But have a good day. We'll talk to you soon. James Rowe XRP is out of here. And don't forget, I told you so.